Hello my beautiful people, it is Sherry Moulton back with another video. I hope you had an amazing weekend and hope you enjoyed Sunday's sunset beach wave. Not a beach, but a sunset wave. I think it turned out amazing. I love that I put that glitter in the paint. Big game changer. That's actually, I'm going to show you what it looks like dry before we put the resin on, because I can't believe how glittery it looks. It's very, very pretty. So with that, I was at my trailer and I got home today and I had to go into work for a little bit. And when I come back, I had the most amazing thing at my house. There was a Australian gift package. I was not expecting this again. It just amazes me. Actually, no, it doesn't amaze me because she's actually a very, very nice person. Julie has sent me another mold. This is just, I can't, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'm humbled. I can't believe you're sending me this. This is amazing. Look at this. I got her 6-piece geoid with the hearts. Thank you, Julie. Julie from Pour Your Heart Out. Go check it out. I will link her in the description box, and I will link her Etsy shop for the molds. They're amazing. It is so sturdy. I'm excited. I'm going to play with it this week. So thank you again, Julie, from the bottom of my heart. Amazing. And I ordered a couple molds myself. I was wanting to play with these. I've seen some people do, actually Julie does them as well. The feathered resin with the ink and the casting craft and stuff. So I'm going to play with that. And then I ordered this. This is really funny. I thought it was like a necklace. Yeah, you're ready. Look at how big it is. It fits my hand. It's not going to be a necklace. But actually, I think this would be pretty, they would be beautiful sun catchers. Like you could, being it's got the little thing, you can attach a beautiful chain. You can have it hanging in the window. So I'm going to play with this. It's not quite what I thought it was, but it'll still work. So anyway, I'm going to try and show you. I'm going to move my little stool here. I'm going to try and show you what I was seeing with this amazing painting, because I hope you can see in here, not here, because I purposely put all that there, but take a look. I'm hoping you can see the glitter in the paint. I think it turned out awesome. All right, well, my beautiful people, I'm going to put you on pause. I'm going to get out of my pretty jacket, get my working clothes on, and we're going to put a coat of resin on this. I'm excited. Oh, I have to show you. In the video, if you remember, there was a pesky fly. Well, Sherry forgot to cover the painting to let it dry. So when I came down after 3 hours, because I fell asleep in my chair, I come down to the poor thing drowning in the paint. So there's a story for everything. So here, can you see the poor thing was swirling and it went up, and then it must have got over here because this was not here. Hilarious. There was blue paint over here, so it must have went over here. So I got that off. That's there, but that's fine. But I just thought that's just a story of my life. Anything goes wrong, it goes wrong. So anyways, I'm going to get my resin mixed up. We'll go through this now. And as I mix my resin, This is the respirator I used. It is called Trend. It is a stealth. I'm going to find, yeah, I'm gonna find the link and I will link it. Oh, there it is. It's Air Stealth. I have a couple of packages of my extras. So these are the filters that you put in. So it is called Air Stealth. It's a respirator. It's an N100 replacement. These are the replacement filters. So that's what I buy. I love it. It works good for me. So with that being said, I'm going to mix my resin with my respirator. I have my Dyson air purifier on. When I come back, I am not going to have it on, and we're going to get into coating this beautiful painting. And I will see you guys when I get the working clothes on. Hello, we are back. I am all mixed up. I have 10 ounces. This is a 20 by 20 inch gallery wrapped. I did the calculator. It says 14 ounces, but I find when I use the art resin one, I end up not needing half as much as what it says. So I did 10 instead of 14. So we're hoping it works. There's a fly down here again, so I have to remember to put my screen on top of this. So here we go, my friends. We're just gonna get right into this. I'm so excited. I am just putting it all on. I'm trying to scrape it all out. I love these. These are Oxos. Amazing silicone measuring cups. I get them off of Amazon. It's the same company that I've had my omelet spatula. Amazing. So check them out. The only thing is, I don't like putting pigments or glitter. If I'm mixing just plain old resin, it's good. Alrighty. That's gonna be so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna get my heat gun out and we're gonna give it a blast. We got lots of bubbles because it's hot down here, or cold. So I'm gonna warm the resin up. Get it moving. Okay, I'm gonna use my fingers and just massage it in all the way to the edge. Just get the top done and then I will go over. Just want to get to the edge first. See, this is 10 ounces and it said 4, so it's quite a bit on there. So like I'm scooping, like there's a lot on here, guys. So I'm just going to get to the edge here, and then I'm going to start pushing over and trying to get the edging. So I've retaped this because I untaped it. I'm just pushing it over and rubbing. Over and rub. And it's not very warm, the resin, so I'm gonna give it a good torch. Oh my goodness, there's another fly. I just keep hearing it buzz by me. So funny. I have to put a disclaimer now. There were animals hurt in this video. Poor fly. And you really want to massage the sides in. Because you don't need a huge whole lot on the sides. But you want to make sure it's covered. Let's get this end down here. Oh, sorry guys, moving around. See, 10 ounces was perfect. Make sure. Grab from the middle. Edges are all feeling good. I'm going to remove my glove. What am I stuck on? Oh, that's hilarious. The glove went under my ring. There we go. And we're going to get a new pair on. This is so pretty. You can see there's a lot of bubbles, but you can see that glitter in the paint. I'll be doing some Dutch pours with some glitters in. Now I've got all these paints left over because I pre-mixed them. They were my normal Dutch pour mix, but I just thought I would just remix the new ones. And then that way we were starting off with what I knew was good. Okay, you're gonna heat it up again. These bubbles out. Just gonna get the sides where I can. My cord is tight. There we go, guys. Now I'm seeing, let me just, seeing little things and I don't know if it's, oh no, that's part of some of the glitters. That one's not. One there. I don't know what that is. Oh, I know what that is. There's a couple of little pieces of these. The fairy glass sparkle. Glass. All right. I think that's it, my friends. I'm going to, where is that there? Another one here. And then we are gonna put, oh my goodness, the more I do this, I keep seeing more. I just have to quickly cover it. That's in there, okay. And that's in there, all right. Perfect, my friends. I'm gonna give it one more torch. With my torch. And I'm gonna get my thing right now so I can cover it up. And I will see you guys in the morning when this beaut is done. There we go. Oh my goodness, I keep seeing some stuff, guys. There, 1, 2, 3. And it's best to get these out now than have it in your resin. All right, I'm covering it. Done, 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 done. All right, guys. I'll see you in the morning when it's done. Bye. Hello, we are back. Oh my goodness. This looks beautiful. I am so happy with how this turned out. Love it. Well, I'm gonna bring you down and hopefully you can get a better look at it. I just think it looks amazing. Very cool. Very cool. All right, guys, I'll bring you down and you'll get a closer look. I'll see you in a minute. Well, here we go. Oh my goodness, I don't know if you can see all that glittery part. Sorry about the amazing. Oh, there you go. You can see it. Oh, very cool. I love it. I know we should have had a little more white in there, but you know what? I think that's what gives it that more three-dimensional look. But very sweet. I'm going to try and put it upstairs. We have had rain here most of the afternoon. Our hydro went out, so I'm going to see if I can get it on my wall upstairs and get a better picture. So with that, I'll do my ending here and then we'll throw it upstairs. Hopefully it turns out nice on the wall. So with that being said, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoy the video. Hit the bell in there for notifications on my next video. And with that being said, in the description box, I have the links to my Amazon shops, Krystal Resin, which I've used in this video. Also, I have the links to Laura's Art Corner. Use my discount code, all capital letters, Sherry Moulton 10%. Go get some amazing glitters, and she is also a Lerez distributor. So also I have the link to liquid glass. I have also the links to oh my goodness, my brain has drawn a blank. So with that being said, guys, I also have my PayPal link, and with that, I'll take you upstairs and I will show you it on the wall. So until the next time, love you guys. Bye. My goodness, I turned my studio lights out and I just had to put this back on because look at that glitter and shine. Like, I know here, over here we put purposely, but it's this little bits that are getting to me, which is quite cool. So I will be doing some Dutch pours with glitter in the actual paint. So now onward, upward, we're gonna put it on the wall. Here we go, guys. It's on the wall. Very cool. Actually, if I stand right here, my light looks like the sun. Is that not funny? Very impressed. There you go. See you in the next one. Love you guys.